in a what? A context. You're talking about a person having served Mzee Jomo Kenyatta, who was departed, then serving who? Moi, who is departed, and having served Kibaki, who was also departed, and having served who? Uhuru, the former president, and now he is serving who? The current president, who is with us here today. Listen, I don't know so much, but I'd like to know, do we have such a person? Or most of them wamefanya nini? We have gone. So this shows that Daniel was a very, very unique person. And what made him unique? An excellent spirit. And an excellent spirit talks about a good attitude. Remind your neighbor, please have a good attitude. Just have a good attitude. So Daniel, let me go to the story, and I'll go quickly because of the time. So Daniel is elevated. There were 3 governors. He was one of them. Okay? And then the other satrap, the administrator said, no, we must figure what to do to find something we can accuse this man to the king. You remember that? And a group of people decided to start doing what? Investigating him. How many would like some people to start investigating, not because they are looking for something good you do, but for something bad? That's what happened to Daniel. Then the Bible records, they could not find any. Apart from the manner of his worship. You too. The way he did what? He worshipped. We are in Daniel chapter number 6. We shall not find any charge against this Daniel unless we find it against concerning the law of his God. Continue. So these governors and satraps longed before the king and said, thus to him, King Darius, live forever. If you have a chance to ever talk to the king, what do you tell them? Live forever.